Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. Had a problem over the AVS weekend. Somehow, my skylight, this is the skylight above my bathroom, actually broke, and there's a huge hole in it, which isn't good because, well, huge holes are never good to have when in the roof of your RV. So today so as an emergency fix, I obviously got out the duct tape and I taped it all up, and actually that worked really well. You saw how well this held. That was AVS weekend, which was November 18th, something like that. And it is now December 2nd, so it's been holding this whole time while I've been looking for a replacement. And of course, this thing is 18 years old. My RV is 18 years old, so I'm just taking this off so you can see the extent of the damage and what I saw when I got up here. Oh my gosh, do this with one hand. Actually, if I get this piece off over here, this tape is weird. All right, so basically this whole entire thing was like popped off like that. It was so weird. Like, what even does that? And then this whole piece was like sitting out. I have no clue what even does that. But I wanted to look inside. All right. So anyways, I got this as a replacement, and I don't know if it's an exact fit. It was kind of hard trying to find a replacement thing. But I think this will fit. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this whole thing off and then see if I can put this one on and get it all sealed up, and yay. All right, so I got the old one off. There's the old one. There's the big old hole. Look how big this hole is. So this is what it looks like. This is off, and now to remove this old lap sealant on the bottom. This is the stuff that you put in between before you sandwich it. So that's this stuff over here. So I got new stuff. I got to scrape all this off, cut and remove some of this so I can get a new, nice new seal on it. And then we'll get this one on, and it does look like this will fit. I am so bad at like looking at stuff and seeing if they fit. Like, I actually have to put it on to see. And yeah, it looks like it'll fit. It's a little bit smaller than the original, I think. And the nail holes are going to be, or the screw holes are going to be different. And this is a rounded edge versus the old one was a sharp corner. But yeah, the holes are going to be in different places. So I do have to seal up all of the old holes and then get these new holes in. But the important part was that where the new holes are going to go in are actually going to go into metal, and it does feel like it is. All of this stuff is metal. So sweet, it should hold then, and it's not going to get anything because the wiring is down below a little ways, so it should be safe. So I cleaned off all of the excess, all of the old stuff, gunkies, just to make sure that we have a nice flat clean surface. Then I pre-drilled the holes You can see the old holes do not match up, but we'll have that all sealed up. Pre-drilled all the new holes. And now I'm gonna clean off all this debris again, set down the new stuff, sticky caulking stuff, and then finish this up. Yay, we're all done. So that's what the new Skylight looks like. It's all installed, it's sealed up, everything's good, it's so pretty. And most importantly, it's all sealed up, so no more big gaping hole. I can trash that, so project completed.